weeks. This is the manager. So I'm coming to my big job, 16. This she is right here, first job. She worked 3 weeks. This is the manager that hired her. She never gave her a clock in number, so they know. Okay, well she said she did, but
I didn't give her my
she gave her the first check she got was $48. Like her mom ain't gonna let her know.
She said it was a 2-day check.
And then when
5 hours.
When the lady, listen, when my baby got her check, because we already knew what she was supposed to be anyway. I'm gonna show her how to add her money up. I don't know about nobody else, but I'm gonna teach man how this world go. But anyway, this young lady here, when she texted her, first she called about 3 times, she don't answer the phone. Then she texted her, she said, oh, that's a 2-day check. 2-day check of 5 hours.
But she never said
5 hours. She worked the whole 3 weeks, and you tell me you gonna give my baby $48? We ain't having none of that. So this young lady, and then when I came up here, her son was here. She wasn't here because she was going through something, which I got sympathy for people, you know what I'm saying? But I really don't give a fuck about nobody now. But I got sympathy for people. You hear me? Because we all here supposed to lift each other up. But then you got grown piece of shit ass motherfuckers trying to play on little kids like they parents don't care about them.
She got fired because we came to see about her money.
Now she fired my daughter because I can't see.
You gonna get fired. You is.
Because I can't see.
It don't matter what you see. Paid for. See what I'm in.
Listen.
You hear me?
Listen.
See what I'm in.
So this young lady son was here today when I was talking to the other lady.
You need it.
And her
She
son
don't.
was very disrespectful.
You do need it.
Her son was very disrespectful.
You 40, you still in here.
So now,
That's a shame.
Now
That's a
they
shame.
fired my daughter because I came and checked them about my baby check. Talking about they can't give her this and they can't give her that. Huh? We work for free now? Do we work for free?
Right.
And it's also your responsibility to feel bad.
It's your responsibility to stop being a piece of shit.
So she got fired because we checked it.
Because you try to play on my daughter. Now you other motherfuckers, you let her play on you if you want to. It is my opinion. And it's definitely right. It's definitely right. You scheming. You scheming. You playing. You are
Okay.
It's like my little sister got everything she want my mama, nigga. It's like, it's a couple dollars.
Okay.
She don't need this, bro. This some light shit, bro.
Okay.
That's how we
And I don't need it for it. I don't need it for
But
it.
you need this,
I don't need it.
You're not gonna have it, bro.
I don't need it.
You're not gonna have it, bro.
I can say
Really,
that
this light shit, bro. See what I
I
mean?
can say that wrong.
We are children.
I can say that wrong. If you a child of God,
Yes, I am.
if you a child of
Yes, I
God,
am bold right
if
now.
you a
That's
child of
what you
God,
know, right?
if you a child of God,
baby.
you understand your
I am.
a piece of shit.
I am because I
If that's not a child of God.
That's just how you
That's
have
not a
to do
child
that.
of God.
I had to do that.
That's
You
not a
fucking
child of God.
my
I didn't fight
Because
her.
I'm standing up for
I
my
didn't
baby.
fight her.
Because you
No,
motherfuckers playing my baby like she just working for
people
you.
fight
And then
her.
y'all got her in the back. Then you got her taking our trash and shit.
Who got her taking our trash? I don't make her take our trash.
Bro,
I don't be here.
Yeah, we not about to pay that.
Some young men had to take up with my daughter. Say, hold on, you don't want to be doing this.
I wasn't here.
Got my baby taking out trash.
And it's right in the evening. I don't work in the evening.
Look at her, bro. Bro, come on, ma.
Yeah.
Look at her.
Why you finish recording? Because I want to make sure I'm on this shit online. And we on Gratiot right here. On Gratiot, yeah. Talk to the manager. The manager said this and that. I'm gonna fire my baby because we here. Yeah, she got somebody to love her. I don't know about nobody else. Everybody else check come up missing. That's on them.
Hell no.
And they
But you
complain
fucking
about
with the right one when
And
you
they
fucking
complain
with the
about
right.
it. And they stay on me and I fix it.
Yeah, so now you
But
want to
she-
fire my daughter
It's
because
not
she's trying
me
my
firing
baby.
her.
For her
It's not
fucking
me
son.
firing her. It's not me. It's the upper people firing her. It's the upper people firing her. It's not me.
So why you
It's
not
not
fired?
me.
Your son was short
That's
as that.
it. Because I'm not going to get fired.
Oh, you not gonna get
I'm
fired?
not. They already know about the situation.
They know about the situation.
They do.
So shit. So
They
what's
do.
wrong with my
They
situation?
know.
Come up here.
They
put
know
your
about
ass
it.
together so
They
you
know
can
about it.
make money.
You're not getting nobody together. Because I
I
told
am
your daughter
getting
that I
together
was
because
sick.
you
You're not.
you gotta be ashamed of
I shouldn't
yourself.
be ashamed
You
of
gotta be
nothing.
ashamed
I
of
shouldn't be
yourself.
ashamed of
Yes, you
nothing.
is.
Because
you
if she didn't, but if she didn't say nothing after she texted me, that was out of my head.
Fired her because he came here for her money, bro.
It's money. It's my money. I'm gonna complain about my money until I get it. I'm gonna complain until I get my money.
She look at her, bro.
Yeah, look at you.
Yeah, bro.
I don't need it.
And you should see her son when he came up here.
It don't matter. They said he outside. I ain't seen him. Shit. But come on, we gone.
So the other day, some motherfuckers came in here, jumping all over the thing, and the motherfucker's still working here. So, but she gotta go because we talking about her money. But when these motherfucking hoopers came in this bitch running all over here, jumping through shit, I see this motherfucker still working here.
And she got
So we got a problem.
And she got
Black people are fucked up. These weak ass motherfuckers. Hell yeah, we weak. But you thought you was gonna run over this.
Nobody thought
You
nobody.
run over these.
Nobody
You ain't gonna run
thought
on this one.
okay.
Now then the motherfucker ain't. What a person that that's still working here You stand strong, you stand tall, you walk by faith, not by sight. Can't nobody, don't be scared of none of this living, walking, none of that. Only person you scared of is God. Fuck a man or a woman. Fuck them all. Because can't none of these bitches do shit to us. The only person you do something to you is the Lord. You understand? They got a lot of fucking nerves. Gonna fire you because you want your fucking money like you in this bitch working for free. They didn't even have enough nerve to give you a fucking shirt. It's so unacceptable, baby. You got so much to learn. And you stand bold and you stand when a motherfucker come in your face and say, hey, I'm gonna need you to get the fuck. And it's times when you gotta be bold and tell the bitch to get out your face. And it's a time when you be humble. It's a bold time. This is mama being bold out here. Not disrespectful, you gotta know the difference. I'm being bold. Because they full of shit. Talking about the other people firing you because you coming to get your money. We talking about your money because your mama love you. Ain't nobody teaching these other motherfuckers how to sit down and count their money. They just letting this motherfucker run game while she pocketing shit.
I'm not pocketing anything.
Anyway.
I'm not pocketing